Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of May 2025, our system has classified MicroAlgo as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.6. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has suffered a decline of 83.25%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.98%. Since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock has broken through the very wide and falling short-term trend upwards. Firstly, a slower rate of decline is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a shift in trend. On the reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been broken, which is at a level of 87 cents, a point that may offer a second chance to capitalize on this movement. According to Fan Theory, $4.48 will be the next possible peak of the trend and could serve as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 99% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -100% to -101.18%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -64.37%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -100% to 780.53% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $5.87. Our latest daily update for MicroAlgo includes the headline, Volatile Ride for MicroAlgo Inc. Stock price on Thursday moving between 631 and 741 cents. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price gained 7.55% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025, rising from 620 cents to 667 cents. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to see whether it can continue to rise or take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 17.42%, from a low of 631 cents to a high of 741 cents. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 7.39% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 107 million shares, and in total, 47 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $31,640,000. It is important to consider that falling volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $222.60, while the lowest price was 50 cents. Currently, the price is 99.70%, or $221.93, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $14,299.33, below the all-time high reached on December 13, 2022, when the price soared to $14,300. MicroAlgo Incorporated, trading under the symbol MLGO, is making significant advancements in quantum technology as we move into July of the year 2025. Recently, the company announced the integration of its quantum image LSQB algorithm with cutting-edge quantum encryption technology, creating a secure system for information transmission. This innovation in security can enhance user confidence, potentially attracting more clients and driving revenue growth. Additionally, MLGO has adopted the quantum phase estimation method to improve the efficiency of quantum neural networks, aligning itself with emerging trends in machine learning, coupled with the development of a quantum convolutional neural network aimed at boosting traditional computer vision tasks. These technologies position MicroAlgo as a key player in the growing quantum computing field. The company also revealed its successful optimization of quantum error correction algorithms to enhance algorithm accuracy. and research on the quantum information recursive optimization algorithm opens doors for solving complex combinatorial problems. These initiatives not only advance MLGO's technological capabilities, but could also solidify its market position, positively impacting investor sentiment. Financial results for the year 2024 were strong, with a reported net income of 53.4 million renminbi, a remarkable recovery from prior losses. This shift towards its central processing algorithm segment underscores a strategic focus that may further enhance profitability in the long term. In the short term, these developments are likely to generate interest and trading activity around MLGO, potentially driving the stock price upward. In the long term, as MicroAlgo continues to innovate and report financial growth, it could lead to sustained investor confidence and increased market capitalization. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to MicroAlgo stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 30th of June, 2025, and to date, the stock has risen by approximately 30.98%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, it is important to note that volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock warrants close observation. There are also some negative signals that could influence short-term developments. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Given that the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this contributes to a broader negative forecast for the stock. If further gains occur, the stock may encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $1.12. Should the stock decline, it will find support from the short-term average at 58.3 cents. A breakthrough above the long-term average would create another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overarching trend. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots signaled a buy 4 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 279 days ago. The short-term moving average revealed a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 53 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 52 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 57 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 35 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss from MicroAlgo. MicroAlgo Inc. identifies support from accumulated volume at 0.660, which may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and due to a sizable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 0.110 between its high and low, representing a change of 17.42%. In the past week, the daily average volatility has been 19.22%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate modest expectations for the company's future performance or suggest that the stock is undervalued, pointing to a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $0.710. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo meets its first support level at $0.660. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from multiple analyst sources is to buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest trade was on the 30th of September 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Incorporated exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon reviewing the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 7th of July, we anticipate MicroAlgo will open higher by 13 hundredths of a dollar, starting at 680 hundredths of a dollar. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.